I welcome all of you on platform of Europedia Education. I think the only dedicated platform which is preparing you for entire supply chain of career domains. So this you are watching the series of group discussion, daily group discussion topics, and today my topic is impact of COVID-19 as far as the depression is depression during COVID-19. So that is what we are going to discuss. This was recently the topic given in one of the NTPC GD. NTPC GDs are going on, so this topic was given there, depression. And I told you, whenever some topic is given to you, couple of your lines should be already prepared very well. So the moment he asks you to go for introduction, you are in position to jump and start introduction. In NTPC, obviously they gave 2 minutes to each of the candidate, that now you introduce, now you start, that way. But if it is not given that now you start, because online GDs were going on in NTPC this year, but if it is not given, then also you should prepare accordingly. So how I will start it? Okay friends, good evening, my name is Vijender Singh and I take the opportunity to initiate the discussion. Okay friends, the topic given for the discussion is depression during COVID-19. Now next line should be holistic perspective of the topic. If there are two perspectives, just mention two perspectives. That is very innovative, When we talk about the depression, we talk about what? Economic depression or mental depression. So economic also it can be mental depression also. Agree or not? Why we think only mental depression? So friends, I will be discussing this topic from two perspectives. Depression can be economic depression, it can be mental depression or individual impact. It can have impact on the economy's market, it can have impact on the individual also. So I will be talking about what are the adverse impact of the COVID on economy and what can be the adverse effect on the mental health of the individual. So this depression word means both. So now friends, I open the house for the discussions. I am very sure this topic is of current relevance. All of us can give really good points. तो ये 4-5 lines रटो इसको. This is what you have to do. And then body part. अब information चाहिए. तो इकोनॉमिक इम्पैक्ट ऑफ कोविड में ऑलरेडी अपलोड कर चुका हूं, उसी का डाटा हम उठाएंगे. वो डाटा ये बोलता है कि बिजनेस, स्टेट बैंक ऑफ इंडिया सेड दैट 40% टू जीडीपी, द बिजनेस विल श्रिंक टू 40% ऑफ द जीडीपी. Entire business in India, entire economy in India will shrink to 40% of the GDP. There is a credit rating agency CRISIL which says it is the worst recession in the history of India since the independence. Worst recession in the history of India since basically independence as per CRISIL. As per one more data, that is Ministry of Statistics data, ये है कि current fiscal year में GDP growth is 3.1%. 3.1% GDP growth presently in the fourth, basically this I think fourth quarter में, this is 3.1% of the GDP growth, which was earlier growing at more than 6%. So this is the what data you can say. Yes, 20 crore people are going to lose. 20 crore people are going to lose their jobs, and more than 80% of the people salaries have reduced during this particular time. So salaries have reduced. 20 crore people have lost their jobs. Indian economy is shrinking. These are the economic depression signs of COVID because of the shutdown. Small businesses have got killed and large businesses have stopped their production. Many industries have a bad impact because of the COVID. I think this is the data we can use. And what about now mental health of the people? Yes, job insecurity, job loss, salary cut has adverse impact on the mental health of the people. Socialization has reduced because of poor socialization. Earlier, whenever you used to feel depressed, you used to go to bar and you used to go for movies. Now you cannot go on either places. There is a negative environment, negative ecosystem. When you come across every day that these many people are dying of the COVID and this is a virus, there is a negativity all around. There is a hopelessness state of hopelessness state. There is all the industries are basically not working. Income has dropped. Socialization is poor, and there is a fear of career among youngsters. So these all things are leading to the mental depression. आफ्टर हैविंग डिस्कस दिस, आपने अपने पॉइंट्स दे दिए एंड जीडी चलता है 20-25 मिनट के आसपास चलेगा, उससे ज्यादा नहीं चलेगा, 15-20 मिनट चलेगा. उस जीडी में आपने अपने पॉइंट्स दे दिए, दूसरों के पॉइंट भी सुने एंड कंक्लूजन में ओके फ्रेंड्स, वी हैड ऑल डिस्कशन एंड सम पीपल सेड यस, they talked about the economy, another people also talked about the mental issues and all. So in my opinion, I think yes, COVID-19 has adverse impact on the economy, but at the end we all also understand that yes, now there is a recovery. We hope that things recover in future, and the economy and everything is on the recovery track. If you have discussed that, conclusion may you are to only mention those points which actually you have discussed in the body, not otherwise. Do not use any new sentence in the conclusion. You are not to say that. Suppose that you have not done introduction, and the fellow who did introduction, he did not talk about mental depression, he only talked about economic depression. Then in the body you can say, okay, that you people are only talking about economic depression, but there can be one more aspect to the depression, and that is a mental depression. We have seen that cases of the suicide have increased, so that is related to mental health. And in COVID-19, mental health is also one of the very grave concern, point of concern, which we have to discuss. So आप उस तरीके से जा सकते हैं. I hope you have understood now, and rhythm is to be maintained. At the end, GD is not about knowledge, though you should have some points. GD is all about practice. More you practice, more comfortable you will be to talk. And I know the students who do not have much knowledge, but yes, they are expert in speaking. Nobody can defeat them in GD. Do more practice with us. You can do that. Every day there is a online basically GD sessions in Europedia. You can join that. You can contact this number and you can join with us. Thank you.